Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, today we are going to perform some activities that we should know that the air have some quality. Okay, so our first activity is to show that the air occupies space. Children, I taught you that the quality of the air, that air occupies space. But how can we prove? By the experiment, we can prove that the air occupies space. For this experiment, we required some materials, that a glass through half filled with water and a glass tumbler. So children, this activity or this experiment you can perform in your home also. It is very easy. The method is to take a glass tumbler and invert it as shown, like I will show you in this figure. Okay, so children, to ensure that anything in it falls down, and now place the glass tumbler in the throw of the water as shown in the diagram. So children, you will notice that the level of water inside and outside the glass tumbler is not the same. So what happened, children? From this, the observation and the conclusion can be drawn that there is something invisible thing within the glass tumbler. What is this? So now tilt the glass tumbler as shown in this diagram. So children, you will notice that the bubbles rise up in the water. Why children it's happening? Because these bubbles are of air and which escape from the tilted glass tumbler. To take the place of the air, the water rushed in the glass tumbler. So that from this experiment, we know that the air occupies space. Okay, children, got it? Now, our second experiment, our second activity to prove that the air always contains the dust particles, or we can say the smoke particles. For this, children, you should require an electric torch, only this instrument. After that, they choose a room in your house and whose doors and the windows can be completely shut so that no light from the outside enter it. Stand in the corner of this dark room and switch on the electric torch. So children, what will happen? What do you see in the beam of the torch? क्या दिखेगा आपको beam of torch में? You will notice that the tiny specks of the dust particles shine in the beam of light. So these particles are not stationary but are moving in a zigzag way. So from this activity we can conclude, we can result that from this observation that air contains dust particles. Okay children, so both the activities you can perform in your home safely. After that children, did you know we always inhale air through our nose, and the fine hair and the mucus within the nasal passage prevent the dust particles from getting into our respiratory system. So children, your parents always scold you when you breathe through your mouth. This is because the harmful dust particles can enter your respiratory system and can make you ill. So children, in this pandemic situation, we advised that we should wear mask always, okay? Because like we know the traffic police constables wear also the face mask. This is because our nose is not adequate to stop all the dust particles, so that we need the face mask to stop the dust particles and also the viruses, bacteria, fungus, spores are there present in the environment, in our atmosphere, like the spores of the viruses, spores of the bacteria, spores of the fungi, all are present in our air. So children, you should always wear the face mask and you can see up to a longer distance after the rains. This is because the rain washed off the dust particles and the air becomes clean and hence visibility increases. So children, hope this topic is clear. You should always wear face mask and also using the hand sanitizer in this pandemic situation when you are going outside from your home. So hope children this topic and this two activities are clear to you. And children, today I am sending you the book exercises of chapter 15, Air Around Us. So children, you should complete your book exercises and then revise this activity. Thank you children. Any query you can ask. Thank you.